वेलकम टू कॉलेज क्लासेस। तो आज आम डिस्कसन करवा सम्बलपुर यूनिवर्सिटी सब्जेक्ट एसी इंग्लिश रो यूनिट 1 रो 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन जो 50 वर्ड्स मध्य लिखवा थाए। तो ये वीडियोटी बहुत इंपोर्टेंट होगा जाऊँगी कि ये वीडियो को स्किप करेंगे ना, ना बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मैंने मिस करेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। What is the central theme of Chekhov's misery and how is it conveyed through the character of Iona? The central theme of misery is loneliness and the need of human connection. से आयोना कौन व्यक्ति सहित दुख बांटी पारि नथिले, पुत्र मृत्यु कथा कहीं शुणा इच्छुक नथिले। आयोना द कैब ड्राइवर has just lost his son and desperately wants someone to talk to. However, no one listens. Through Iona's repeated effort to share his grief and his final conversation with his horse. जितेबले कौन व्यक्ति सहित कथा हेले नहीं, से घोड़ा सहित कथा होते। Chekhov show how deeply people suffer when they are emotionally isolated and ignored by society. How does Iona express his sorrow in misery? And what does this reveal about human loneliness? Iona expresses his sorrow by trying to talk to each passenger about his son's death, but everyone is too busy to listen. से तांको कहीं सुनु नथिले, समस्ते निज भितर व्यस्त थिले. When no one cares, he ends up talking to his horse. This shows that human loneliness is painful and that something people have no one to share their emotional with. It also reveals that even small act of listening could help someone feel less alone. आमे कोनोसी व्यक्ति को कथा हेबा ताहेले तांको दुख मध्य दूर होई परिबो, ताहाको से सुंदर भाव रे रचना करछंती। Describe the setting of misery and how it reflects Iona's emotional state. The story is set in a cold, snowy, and dark winter evening. This setting reflects Iona's emotional pain and grief. यही परिवेश आयोना दुख और ग्रीफ को बहुत भल भाव रचना करछंती। The coldness outside represent the coldness he feels from people around him. The darkness matches his sadness and hopeless after his son's death. Chekhov uses the gloomy environment to show Iona's deep sorrow and how the outside world mirrors his feelings inside. Why does Iona talk to his horse in misery? What does this suggest about his life? Iona talked to his horse because no human is willing to listen to him. He is so lonely that he shares his pain with an animal. This suggests that Iona's life is full of isolation and that he has no one choose to comfort him. His only companion is his horse. It shows how some people suffer silently and only seek someone, even an animal, to listen. जेतेबेले कौनसी व्यक्ति तांको सुनिले नहीं, सही समय तांको घोड़ा सहित से कथा लागिथिले तांको दुख कम हो जिवो. What symbolic meaning does the door represent in Kafka Before the Law? Noah chapter. The door in Before the Law symbolizes truth, justice, and enlightenment. It stands for the higher knowledge or legal truth that the man seeks all his life. The closed door shows how access truth is often controlled and denied, even when someone waits patiently. It also represents life missed opportunities and how people often fail to reach their goal due to fear. कौन सी तरह से पहुंची पारंत नहीं कहीं भय, hesitation or obedience to authority. How does the man's behavior in Before the Law reflect human nature and the pursuit of justice? The man's behavior shows how people often accept authority without question. He waits obediently for permission inside the acting. Showing fear and independency, his hope and patience reflect the human desire for justice, but also how people can waste their life waiting for approval. Kafka used this to show how system of power can control people and how many die without never reaching they seek like justice or truth. ସମସ୍ତେ ସେହି ଅଥରିଟିକୁ ୱେଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ଆପ୍ରୁଭାଲ୍ ଆସିବ ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ନ୍ୟାୟ ପାଇବେ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି କାମ ହେବ ତାହାକୁ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଲିଖିଛନ୍ତି. What role does the gatekeeper play in before the law and what might be symbolized? The gatekeeper acts as a barrier between the man and the law. The symbolizes authority, bureaucracy and fear, which stop people from reaching truth or justice. ସେହି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଜଣଙ୍କ ବାଟରେ ଯେ ଗେଟ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାହାକୁ ସେହି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ୟାନ୍କୁ from reaching truth or justice. He never says the man can enter, but his presence and warning create doubt. This shows how external and internal obstacles stop people from achieving their goal. The gatekeeper represents the power system that delay, confuse or deny people their right of hella. How does before the law question the idea of authority and Kafka's story questions why people accept authority without challenging it. The man never tries to enter the door on his own. He trusts the gatekeeper. ସେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିଦେଲେ showing blind faith in power. ସେ ଭିତରେ 3 ନମ୍ବର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଜଣେ ଗେଟକିପର ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିପାରେ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଶୁଣି ସେ ଡରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ ବାଟରେ ରହିବାକୁ ଖୋଜୁଥିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆପ୍ରୁଭାଲ୍ ନ ମିଳିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ. showing blind faith in power. The story suggests that truth or justice is not given freely but must be fought for. ଆମକୁ ନ୍ୟାୟ ମିଳିନଥାଏ ଆମେ ତାହା ପ୍ରତି ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିବାକୁ ଆମକୁ ନ୍ୟାୟ ଦରକାର. Kafka makes us think, is the law really blocked or do people stop themselves because of fear and obedience? This creates deep doubt about authority. बहुत important question. Where does Kafka end before the law with the man dying without entering the law? बहुत सुंदर question. Kafka ends the story with way to show the tragic failure of waiting and obeying blindly. The man dies after a lifetime of waiting for permission to enter the law. କେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ परमिशन मिलिबो से गेट भीतर से जीवे किंतु से जाई पारि नथिले कारण से बुद्ध हो जाइतिले which was meant only for him. This ending highlights the pointlessness of passive obedience and how people can miss their true purpose because of fear, doubt or respect for authority. Kafka wants reader to feel the sadness of waste life. से तांको जीवन रे किछि करि नथिले कारण तांको भीतर बुझिबार को परमिशन मिली नथिला. Where does the fur coat in Miss Brill नूतन चैप्टर symbolize her emotional state and identity? The fur coat in Miss Brill represents Miss Brill's feeling and identity. She treats it like a friend, even talking to it. ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କେହି କଥା ହେଉନଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ସେ ନିଜ ଫର୍ କୋଟ୍ ସହିତ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଉଥିଲେ. which shows her loneliness. ସେ ଏକାକୀ ଥିଲେ. The coat is old but special to her. ସେହି ପୁରୁଣା କୋଟ୍ଟି ପୁରୁଣା ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସ୍ପେଶିଆଲ ଥିଲା. just like she sees herself when she hears the cruel word from the young couple. से पार्क रे दुईटी यंग कपल मानक देखिले तांको कथा सुनिले सी पुट्स द कोट अवे symbolizing her sadness and broken spirit. The quote reflects her desire to feel important and loved. किंतु सेमानको कथा सुनि से कोट को रोकी देथिले. What is Miss Brill's routine in Sunday and what does it reveal about her character? Every Sunday, Miss Brill goes to the park, sit on a bench, and listen to the band. She watches people and makes up stories about them. She feels like she is part of a play, which gives her joy and purpose. This routine shows her deep loneliness and imagination. It also shows how much she wants to feel connected to others, even if it is not only be observing them quietly. Next question है how is irony used in Mansfield Miss Brill to highlight the difference between reality and illusion? In Miss Brill, irony is shown when Miss Brill thinks she is an important part of the world around her, like an actress in a play, but in reality, people don't even notice her. से कौनसी व्यक्ति ताहाकू नोटिस करुनथिले. सी बिलीव्स अदर एडमायर हर बट ए यंग कपल मोक्स हर इंस्टेड. दिस शो द गैप बिटवीन हर ड्रीम्स एंड ट्रूथ. द आयरनी मेक्स हर फाइनल सैडनेस स्ट्रॉन्गर एज हर फैंटेसी इज क्रॉस्ड बाय हार्श रियलिटी. Next question है what effect does the young couple's conversation have on Miss Brill in the story? The young couple's conversation deeply hurt Miss Brill. निश्चित भाव दुख देथिबो. They call her silly and say her fur coat is funny and old. Their cruel words makes her realize she is not admired or included, but rather seen as strange and alone. This emotional breaks her illusion of being part of a happy world. She returns home feeling ashamed and rejected, and for the first time skips her usual joyful routine of behaving honey cake. How does Mansfield use setting and tone in Miss Brill to reflect her inner world? Mansfield used the lively park setting to show Miss Brill cheerful thoughts at first. The music, people, and sunlight reflects her hopeful mood, but as the story moves on and the couple insult her, the tone became sad and cold. The setting feels empty and quiet, just like Miss Brill's heart. The shift in tone and setting helps readers understand how her happy illusion turns to loneliness and silence by the end. How does the astrologer Noah chapter Astrologer's Day appearance help him in profession in Astrologer's Day? How does the astrologer appearance help him in his profession in Astrologer Day? तांको appearance किपरि तांको ग्राहक मानकु तांको आडकु आकर्षणित करथिला ताहा देखि नबा. The astrologer wears traditional cloth like a turban, a long coat, and smear sacred ash on his forehead. बहुत ही माकी दिले से. His serious face and wise look make people believe he has special knowledge, even though he does not know the real astrology. से real astrology जानि नथिले कोन अटे, किंतु तांको व्यवसाय पय सेहा कर दिले. His appearance creates trust. It helps him attract customer in the busy marketplace, as people think he is a genuine astrologer. किंतु से जेन्युइन एस्ट्रोलॉजर कौन से एस्ट्रोलॉजर ही नथिले। व्हाट इज द ट्विस्ट इन द प्लॉट ऑफ एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स डे एंड हाउ इज इट रिवील्ड। द ट्विस्ट इन दैट the astrologer once tried to kill a man named Guru Nayak, who now unknowingly visit him for advice. The astrologer pretend to predict his past and tell him his attackers is dead. तांकु जे मारिबा को चेष्टा करथिले वर्तमान से मरि जायछंती किंतु से व्यक्तिटा होजंती से निजे। गुरु नायक believes him and leaves. The twist is revealed when the astrologer later tells his wife that he is one who attacked Guru Nayak years ago. This surprise ending shocked the reader. शेषରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେ ରିଡର୍स ମାନେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହତ୍ୟାର ଉଦ୍ୟମ କରିଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କେହି ନୁହେଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଏଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜର ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି। How does R.K. Narayana portray the theme of fate and coincidence in an astrologer's tale? R.K. Narayana shows that fate and coincidence play a big role in life. The astrologer never expected to meet Guru Nayak again. से तांको ग्राम छाड़ी चली जाते किंतु गुरु नायक सहित भेट पड़बार तांको कौनसी संभावना नथिला किंतु तांको सहित भेट निश्चित भाव यह गोटे बहुत बड़ कोइंसिडेंस। इट वाज प्योर चांस दैट गुरु नायक केम टू हिम फॉर एडवाइस। ऑल्सो द एस्ट्रोलॉजर एस्केप ट्रबल ओनली बिकॉज गुरु नायक डज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज हिम। द स्टोरी सजेस्ट दैट लाइफ कैन चेंज सडनली कौन सी मुहूर्त में लाइफ परिवर्तन हो पारे एंड फेट ऑफन कंट्रोल्स आवर पाथ इन सरप्राइजिंग वेज। How does the astrologer lie to Guru Nayak in astrologer's day and how affect him? The astrologer lies to protect himself. He tells Guru Nayak that the man who tried to kill him is dead, so Guru Nayak will stop searching. गुरु नायक से व्यक्ति को खोजले जे तांको हत्या पर उद्यम करथिला। This lie saves the astrologer from being exposed or harmed. It affects him by giving him peace of mind. से शांति पाइले he feels safe and relieved for the first time in years, as he had always feared being caught for his past crime. Describe how suspense and irony are used in an astrologer's day to engage the reader. Suspense is built when Guru Nayak arrives and the astrologer reacts nervously. Readers wondered why he is afraid. The story became more interesting as the conversation goes on. जितने conversation आगो जाए समस्ते आश्चर्य हो जाती। The irony lies in the fact that the astrologer who pretend to know the future actually knows Guru Nayak past because he was part of it. The final twist at surprise the makes the story clever and memorable for reader. तो यह थिला यूनिट 1 रो 2 मार्क रो क्वेश्चन जहाँ परीक्षा रे पड़िबार 100% चांस रही। धन्यवाद।